जो मेरेन युक्रेन आनी रशियाचे घेर सोंपना तो मेरेन युक्रेनाच्या लोकांक भारतांत आसरो दिवचो अशी मागणी युक्रेनच्या नागरिकांनी केल्या। पणजे मेरी मॅकलेट चर्चचे फुडल्यान गोंयांत रावपी युक्रेनाच्या आयिल्ल्या नागरिकांनी आंदोलन करून रशियाचेर टिका केली। रशियाचे लोक आनी युक्रेनाचे नागरीक मोगान रावतात, मात वैश्वीक राजकीय ताब्या खातीर रशिया निश्पाप लोकांक मारता अशी तिडक युक्रेनाच्या नागरिकांनी उक्तायल्या। ताचे कडेन हे विशीं भासाभास केल्या आमचे खासा कॉरेस्पॉन्डंट प्रतीक परब हाणें।
चीन युक्रेनाचेर वॉर डिक्लेअर केला आणि थंय बऱ्याच प्रमाणात शेलिंग चालू आसा। कांय गोंयान रावपी युक्रेनचे नागरीक आयज हांगा प्रोटेस्ट करतात की वॉर सोंपचो म्हणून। तांचे कडेन आमी भासाभास करया। Russia has declared a war against Ukraine right now, and there is a martial law in your country. What do you have to say about this entire situation?
We want to say that we don't know how in this modern world it can exist, such situation. And actually the war was there already for the last 8 years. It was not stopped, but the world didn't speak about it. But now Russia is really want to invade full Ukraine, is not only strategic objects like Donetsk and Lugansk, by Putin that they want to save Ukrainians from Nazis, which is not true. We are Ukrainians, and I'm from Russian-speaking city, from Kharkiv. I speak Russian, but I don't want to be part of Russia. I want to be part of Ukraine, and I never seen anyone discriminating me because of my language or because of language I speak, because of my priorities.
What is the state of your near and dear ones who are right now in Ukraine and you are in Goa right now? What is their state right now?
So, you want to speak? What's happening now in Kiev?
What is the question?
What's happening right now with your family?
Near and dear ones, your family, your friends who are in...
Especially my mother now hiding underground, and my friends now running to the places very safe, and especially now going on attack on Abalon. This district is maybe 7 kilometers from center of Kiev. And already all my friends who can fight, they already stay and fight for our independence. This is war against democracy. This is not war against oil or money. This is just in 21st century we have war against democracy, because Ukraine choose different way. Ukraine choose another way that is not acceptable with Russian post-Soviet Union government.
What is the stand you expect India to take in this? India and the national organizations which are interested with keeping peace in the world.
India is a huge country. India known as a country of peace. The meditation, yoga, everything comes from India, and India has a massive leadership all over the world. And it can help us. It can help to speak to Russian government. It can help to bring peace into Ukraine, and we truly believe in it.
भारत व शांतिकायेचो देश आसा आणि भारत देशांत ह्या युक्रेनच्या लोकांक आणि खास करून पुराय वर्ल्डा भितर एक मेसेज धाडचो की शांतिकाय जावची आणि हो वॉर एकदाचो सोंपचो अशी तांची मागणी आसा भारत देशा कडल्यान। गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर प्रतीक परब।